So hello, today we will try to use the advanced IP scanner in Windows to find other IPs in your Wi-Fi network. And the way to do this is you use the advanced IP scanner. So you search and then you can also download it here. So free download, very quick and dirty here. .exe, click it, install, just click in accept and then it will extract the files. So run the IP scanner. And now you see here, this is your internal system. So the advanced scanner shows you a list of all the devices, and this is basically useful if you click the scan button, but not before. So we will scan the button, and now it searches for all the IPs. And so, for example, here you find some IPs of the machine, and you see for all of them you see kind of the internal IP. So there's some person here, there's some person here, and let's just wait for it out to how it goes. So it is finished, and we can also try to look here. We have here the light tip TPBB and so much more. And if you have multiple systems, for example, this is all the same system here. If you have multiple, then you can also look from here. Or if you want to search for just all of these, then you can also try it. So, for example, for this, we haven't found anything else. And if you wonder now what is maybe the 2 or the 3, then we can scan. So it did find the 3, so it makes sense because we have V4. We had a range, and the range was 1 minus 257, 254. But the minus B is meaning it's a range. So this would have been found and so much more. So if you need more guidance, then please follow up with the videos, and it's very nice to hear all the feedback. Thank you.